Hi, this is Felix from Access Your Life. We're here today with the full team, the lovely Lauren and Fliss, the assistance dog. We're on the Wirral in Brumborough to review Lewis Reed's cars, and the first car we're starting with is the Volkswagen Caddy, to look at all of its accessibility features and all the different things that they can put in for our wheelchair users if they should need them.
So we've just been for a drive and I'm really impressed. This vehicle is so spacious. When I was brought in, I didn't feel claustrophobic at all. My chair could be put in various positions. The seats in front can either be moved forward or they can be pulled back, so you could actually have 5 other passengers in the car with me. But the way we've done it in tipping these chairs forward meant I could stretch my legs out really comfortably, which I have long legs and that's a big bonus. There's loads of room above me, so I'm not hunched over. I had a great view going along, really easy to strap me in and then clip my chair down. Really versatile vehicle, loved it, super comfy.
In the winter, it's really important that we be able to get Lauren in and out of a car nice and quickly. One of the main features about this car that I really liked was the ease and how light the ramp is. For example, I can use my little finger just to bring the whole thing down. And then getting her in is also a really easy process. You bring her up, you press the button here, pull these out, clip her on. Press the button again and that takes the slack of the cables, and then you just slowly push her in up a low gradient onto a flat place where she doesn't have to duck because the head fits in nicely. Brakes on and she's in nice and safely. The next step is attaching the back straps, which is as simple as take the clip in, pull the cord pretty taut and then just clip up, in, clip around the wheelchair frame again, pull taut and clip. So the last step in securing Lauren is the seat belt, which is easy as pull, pass 2, make sure she puts it around, clip in, always check that it's nice and safely on the shoulder, you're comfy, yep, all good, really comfy. And we're all safe.
So we've just finished in reviewing the Caddy and overall I'm really pleased with it. I'd highly recommend this car. It's really comfortable, really versatile and very smooth for a wheelchair user to be in the back. How was it for you?
Again, to drive it was really smooth, felt like I had a decent amount of power, but the most impressive thing was its turning circle when we needed to spin around and come back.
How was it for you, Fliss? Was it comfy? Take that as a yes. Thanks for watching.